Everyone, today we will understand that how can we calculate the monthly attendance of students. So this is the sheet which I have prepared. For example, we can take it as an example, this sheet. So here P stands for present, AB stands for absent, and O stands for off. Okay, so we will try to calculate the number of working days first. So students, working days we can calculate. It is very simple. Number of days in a month are 31. So 3 days was off. So first 3 days was off, let's say. So we can minus 3 means 3 days was off. So 31 minus 3 is equals to 28. Okay, so 28 days of working. So we can fill like this, 28 and 28. Okay, so this we have done. Now we have to calculate a number of present. Okay, so the how many days the student was present in the class in the entire month. So there is a formula that is equals to count if. So in the count if, so first of all what we will do, we will pass the range. So selecting the range from like this. So this is the range which I have selected. Now comma, within the double quotes we have to specify what? P. So I am writing P here, again double quotes and then bracket close. So 25 present. Okay, so the student was present 25 times in a class out of 28 days of working. Okay, similarly we will calculate absent. Again we will use is equals to count if, and then again we will pass the range, selecting the range like this. Okay, for the first student, then comma, then within the double quotes I will write AB, then double quotes close, then bracket close. So 3 days of absent, as you can see, the student was absent only for 3 days, second was of 4 days, and third student was absent for 13 days. Okay, then off means we have to now find it out that when it was off in the month of June. Okay, so is equals to count if again, and then what we are doing, we are passing the range, complete range from day 1 to day 31, comma, double quotes, and instead of passing the values, what we will pass here? O. Okay, now it will read the number of O's, means off in the 31 days. So only 3 off were there for a month, and it was same for all of the students. Okay, now percentage of presence. So we want to find out that what is the percentage of presence of each individual student in the month of June. So we will use equals to sign before a formula when we type. So we use equal to sign, we are using equal to, and then the total present was 25. And what is the address of 25? It was AH, means AH 9. So this is the address for the first student we are talking about. Okay, multiply by 100 divided by total number of working days, and the total number of working was 28. So it was 28, pressing enter. So the student was present, percentage of presence was 89%. Okay, like this we are able to find out for all other students the percentage of presence in the class. So this was the way by which we can just calculate the attendance of the students for each individual month. Thank you.